We tested 5 different wings, 5 different ways of making wings, and we figured out which way is the best. There are 4 key factors that I look for in wings. Number 1, crispiness. How crispy are they? 2, how good do they taste? 3, how easy are they to make? And 4, how good they look. That's important too. So we're going to rank each of these different methods that I'm about to talk about on a scale from 1 to 10, and the one with the highest score at the end of it wins. So the 4 methods that we are going to be trying out today are as follows. Number 1, we are going to try just smoking them normally in the pellet grill. Next, we're going to try one smoked and then fried. We are going to try one smoked with oil on it to help crisp it up. And then we're also going to try another one that I heard of, adding baking powder on top of them to let them dry out even more. We are going to make sure that they are all seasoned the exact same way, and that the only difference, the only variable, I learned this in school, is going to be the way that we cook them. So let's season them all up the same way, and then let's get cooking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a little bit of our new vegetable seasoning on here, and it's going to be really good. It kind of has a poultry, herby essence to it, so I think it'll be really good in here. We're going to take half of them out now, because these are going to be the ones that are smoked, and then smoked and fried. And then we're going to take the other half, split that in half, and put those into 2 separate bowls, add some oil on one, and add some baking powder to the other one. Lucas had to warm up a burrito, because he doesn't like his outside all soggy, like a numpty. Come on, Mike, come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. We're outside now, it's cold and snowy. So we're actually going to use the Apex today for a lot of good reasons. First of all, we can smoke and grill and fry all on the same machine. So it's gonna make our lives really easy. So we're going to start off with our oiled ones. The oiled ones are gonna go on the left side of the grill. While we're putting these on, let us know in the comments, what's better, drums or flats? These ones, oil. These ones I'm putting on now are gonna be baking powder. And then we're just gonna throw the ones that don't have any crisping agent on the bottom. So we're temping at about 130 degrees. They've been on here for 59 minutes. So we're gonna check them out, see how they look. See if we can tell the difference. I can't really tell much of a difference. Can you?
No.
There's
I mean, you can.
Yeah, I mean,
they're a little sweaty.
That's dry. These ones aren't quite as, these ones aren't as crispy as the baking powder ones. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take out half of these ones on the bottom, and we are going to fry them up, because hopefully we've got some good smoke flavor on there. After we're done frying, I'm going to take the rest of them and we're going to grill them up. So I had an idea while we were frying these. I thought it would be fun to try like a breaded one, like a panko. We have some spare panko in the kitchen, so I wanted to try it out. We're going to see how it goes. I don't know if it's going to be good or not, but let's just try it. That's half the fun. We are going to finish off these ones. We're just going to crank up the grill portion of the Apex and sear them off, get a nice good flavor on there. I'm faking like I'm coming in so you can use this as a transition, Lucas. Okay, so we just got all of them done. Let's go through them all really quick one more time, just so we know what we're tasting. This one right here, this one is fried. This one right here, battered and then fried. This one is going to be just smoked and then seared on the grill. This one has the oil on it and then smoked and then seared. This one right here is the same thing, but it is baking powder, smoke, and then sear. There's one clear winner when it comes to looks, and it's gotta be this breaded panko wing. Okay, I have my handy dandy matrix here that's going to tell us our winner at the end. Right off the bat, we have batter is 1, and then we have baking powder 2, we have fried 3, we have oil 4, control 5. So this one right here is the fried. This is a drumming from the fried. Oh, that's good. That's good. So this one, we're going to try out the batter and fried one. Here, listen to the crunch on this. Here, Mike, you gotta come try some of these.
Cheers, everybody, as Guga would say. Oh, wow.
It's all right. So now we have, this one is going to be the oil. Immediately, I can tell that it's crispier.
Yeah.
There's a big difference. That's surprising. I didn't think there's going to be that big of a difference. This is baking powder. I'm a little nervous about this one.
I'm excited for this one.
It
has a little bit of a char to it, and I like that.
There's definitely more color and stuff on it on this one. I don't know why, but maybe it's the baking powder.
Let's go for it.
Let's do it.
That texture is really good.
Not quite as good as the oil though. Starting at number 5, we have adding in baking powder. Next, we have just plain smoked, not adding anything special into it. We have a tie at number 2 for fried in oil and then adding oil at the beginning. And then the best way, the scientifically proven by Camp Chef best way to smoke a wing is this smoked and then panko breaded and fried delicious wing right here. If you just got in a new grill and wings are one of the first things that you're making, I have 5 other tips for you on how to make the most out of your pellet grill experience in this video, boop, right here. Go watch it. It's a short one. It's only like 4 minutes. And I guess until next time, peace out.